Tired of repetitive dev tasks? Workik AI Automations connects your entire stack. Let's start with a pre-built template to see just how fast it is. We'll build a GitHub PR alert for Slack. To add a step, just hit the plus. You can connect to anything. AI models, core utilities like webhooks, to the hundreds of essential developer tools you use daily. First, let's configure the trigger. Just connect your GitHub account and select the repository. That's it. No complex setup. Next, the Slack action. We'll pick a channel and craft the message using dynamic data straight from the GitHub trigger, like the PR title and URL, for a rich, contextual alert. First, a quick one-time setup. We'll add the Workik app to our Slack channel. Now that it's connected, let's test the trigger back in Workik and inspect the sample data. Now, we'll test the Slack step itself. And switching over, we see the result, a perfect notification delivered instantly. The test looks good. Let's hit publish, and the automation is live. Time for a real-world test. We'll create a new pull request in GitHub. And instantly, the notification hits our Slack channel. The whole team is updated, automatically. Workik also gives you full visibility. The runs history provides a detailed log of every execution, showing the exact input and output data, making debugging effortless. Stop the manual grind. Automate your dev workflows. Try Workik AI Automations today.